In the high-octane universe of automotive supremacy, there are machines that go fast. And then there are engineering marvels that redefine the very laws of physics. This is the story of the Bugatti Veyron, a car that didn't just raise the bar, it launched it into the stratosphere. The genesis of this mechanical titan traces back to a single audacious vision by Ferdinand Piëch, the iron-willed patriarch. On a high-speed train in Japan, he sketched a concept that seemed utterly impossible. A car with 1,000 horsepower, a top speed exceeding 400 kilometers per hour, and 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. But the true madness lay in his final demand. This monster had to be sophisticated enough to drive to the opera in a tuxedo. When engineers first saw the specifications, they thought it was a prank. To achieve such figures was unheard of. The heart of the problem was the engine. A standard V12 was insufficient. They needed a power plant of biblical proportions. The result was the W16, an 8-liter quad-turbocharged Leviathan created by fusing two V8 engines together. It was a masterpiece of density and power. However, this engine created a new problem: heat. During initial testing, the engine produced enough thermal energy to heat 100 family homes in the winter. The first prototypes didn't just overheat, they threatened to melt the facility. To combat this, the Veyron uses a cooling system that rivals industrial power plants, utilizing 10 separate radiators. Harnessing this power required a transmission that didn't exist. A standard clutch would have vaporized under the stress of massive torque. Bugatti partnered with Ricardo to develop a dual-clutch gearbox that cost more than a luxury home. With shift times of 150 milliseconds, it allowed for seamless, relentless acceleration, pinning the driver with the force of a fighter jet. But speed is nothing without control. At 400 kilometers per hour, the air becomes a solid wall. To pierce through it, the Veyron employs active aerodynamics. In standard mode, the car is sleek and smooth. But to unlock its full potential, the driver must insert a special top-speed key into a slot on the floor.